Sign language is a unique and essential form of communication that has greatly impacted the lives of many individuals. It allows people with hearing impaired to effectively communicate with others, bridging the gap between different linguistic communities. Sign language has not only provided a means of communication but also fostered inclusivity and understanding among diverse groups. One significant advantage of sign language is its ability to break down barriers between individuals with hearing impairments and those without. By learning sign language, people can engage in meaningful conversations, share their thoughts, and express emotions without any hindrance. This has opened up new opportunities for education, employment, and social interactions for the deaf community. Moreover, sign language has played a crucial role in promoting inclusivity within society. It encourages empathy and understanding by highlighting the importance of accommodating different needs and abilities. By recognizing sign language as an official mode of communication, governments have taken steps towards creating an inclusive environment where everyone can participate fully. In addition to its practical benefits, sign language also serves as a rich cultural expression for the deaf community. It embodies their history, traditions, and identity while fostering a sense of belonging among its users. Through sign language poetry, storytelling, and performances, this unique form of communication showcases the artistic talents within the deaf community. In conclusion, thanks to sign language, we have witnessed tremendous positive changes in our society. It has empowered individuals with hearing impairments by providing them with an effective means of communication while promoting inclusivity among diverse groups. Furthermore, it serves as a testament to the rich cultural heritage within the deaf community. Overall, sign language deserves recognition for its invaluable contributions towards building a more inclusive world where everyone's voice can be heard.